Hey, we are going out to dinner tonight because...
It's my birthday!
Yeah, it's Bailey's birthday, and we're going to her second favorite restaurant because her favorite restaurant, well, they closed. But now we're going to her favorite restaurant that is still in business, Chewy's. So let's go on in, baby. Alright, so we just got back home from dinner at Chewy's where we broke every single dietary rule that we have. But the food was really good. Was yours good?
Yes.
Alright. So now we're going to open up some gifts that Bailey has.
For your birthday, we got you 4 horse riding lessons.
That's your gift. 4 horseback riding lessons. So you get to ride a horse and learn how to do that. We've said it before, this is a cowgirl at heart, and she loves horses, so she's going to learn how to ride a horse. All right, let's see what else you got, baby.
Okay. So those are horseback riding pants. Did you know that you were getting horseback riding lessons for your birthday?
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Everybody kept saying it today, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so we had this surprise for Bailey, 4 lessons to horseback ride. We've been keeping it a secret forever until Natalie got on the phone with her family twice today and they gave our secret away. So thanks, guys.
Well, at least not Grandma and Grandpa.
They didn't know because I was smart enough not to tell my family anything. Horseback riding boots. I mean, you got a whole horseback riding outfit right in here.
A helmet.
Yep.
That's cool.
Yeah, you gotta have a helmet on when you're riding a horse.
Yes, you do.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Hey, we're in downtown Denver today. We are taking another week off. We took off last week from snowboarding. We're taking this week off. Getting Natalie's knee to heal up, and honestly, it's been great for my torn cartilage knee to heal up as well. So we're just gonna do some fun stuff in downtown, and we're looking forward to the camping season coming up. That's gonna be a whole lot of fun. So we're gonna look at some camping gear and some stuff at the REI garage sale. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. Hey, we're at downtown Denver at the REI flagship store. This is their garage sale. They do this once a year and they just kind of put a bunch of stuff on sale, and we're hoping to find some good camping gear. And like I said earlier, looking forward to the camping season that's coming up. So we're peeking our way out of winter now. We still want to do some more snowboarding, but looking forward to spending some real time in the mountains camping. So we had a little bit of success at the REI garage sale, clearance sale. Got some hiking clothes for Natalie, got a couple things for her backpack. Didn't really score any camping gear yet, but we got some good ideas and stuff that we're gonna need. So we're gonna hang out downtown a little bit more, and then it's time to get going home. we've been at it for quite a while now, probably, I don't know, 10 hours maybe, something like that, and somebody's pooped. We stopped off a couple hours ago, got, I don't know, lunch, dinner, whatever it was, and now Bailey is exhausted, getting a lot of sleep now, so I'm trying to keep it quiet in here and trying not to hit too many big bumps. So we'll see how it goes. We're running good, but it is so nice having her with me. This is the first time we've ever done this, so this is pretty cool. All right, we are having the biggest snow of the year, at least in the Metro Denver area, and Bailey is out plowing with me. This is an enormous snow. We've had at least 10 inches. Looks like probably closer to 12, and then the wind has been horrendous. So there's snow drifts that are huge, up to 2 feet of drifts. We are plowing, and we've been stuck twice. We had to dig ourselves out. It's crazy today. There's cars broken down everywhere. We're on the phone with Natalie. Hey, Natalie.
Hey.
All right, we're gonna get to work, and Bailey and I are gonna get up and stretch our legs in a couple minutes. So Bailey and I had a blast out doing snow removal. She was so good. I mean, she slept a little bit. I think she got about 6 hours sleep that one evening, but we did over 25 hours together plowing snow. It was brutal conditions out there. We got stuck, I think 7 times. We had to get dug out or get pushed out by a skid steer, but we had a blast. And today is DIY work on the house. So Natalie's in here sanding. This is our master bath we're still working on, trying to knock this out, trying to get some walls painted and whatnot. So just some touch-up detail work, and then we're gonna install the toilet, and then what else? Oh, we got a hole back here. Got a hole back here to fill where the sink goes. So one step at a time. We're trying to get a little more work done since we're not snowboarding this week. But it's been nice getting our knees, both of our knees, to recover a bit. Hey, so got this hole patched up now, and I'm gonna mud over it, fill in the cracks, but got the drywall in there, got it braced up. I guarantee you, this is the strongest drywall in this whole house. I had braced that thing seriously. But I don't want it to fall, I don't want it to crack or nothing, so it's solid. So, here we go. Making progress today. Natalie got painted right over here where the toilet is gonna go. So as soon as that's dry, we're gonna put in our toilet, assuming the paint, we'll shine the spotlight over there, make sure we don't see any place where the paint is thin, but making good progress today. Okay, big success in our master bath remodel project today. Got this hole in the wall back here filled in. We got, hey baby, go on in. We got all this will still need to be sanded and finished, but it's been mudded and everything. And then over here, Natalie, just show over there, got our toilet in. That thing is beautiful. We have not had a toilet in the master bath of this house since we purchased this house. The thing before, it didn't leak. I mean, it didn't work, it leaked, it was a disaster. And now we've tested it, we flushed it a whole bunch of times. It works great, it's not leaking anywhere. Walls are painted, been sanded, cleaned up. This is coming together. This is a big day for us, so we're really excited. So, okay, so we're getting close now.